Look. I might put this on actually. But I'm at my vanity. More stuff. It's the spinning one ready. Okay, gonna be. Have more thunder. Yeah. I'm at my vanity with one. And I also have this one. This one. I'll show you them right now. Bear with me. You probably thought I didn't have a vanity in my room for my shorts. This one's a hard one, but when you stretch it, it gets softer. I normally put a few minutes for some reason to make it smell good. I'm gonna do that. So a few minutes really helps with hard slimes because you get sweaty because of the smell and the stuff inside of it. Or like it doesn't be that right. Makes it very soft. I had about, I think I had my strong one in about 5 squirts, or how many you want. I do like how many I want. I just do random. Makes it smell very good at the same time. Oh, that's good. It mixed with that one and it smells very good. That's Britney Spears one. I put some of this in it. Soften it up. I had more, but they're over there. Like, do I still have more? It looks like I have lipstick on, but I don't. My normal lip cover. But I just put this one on. But that's not the red one. The red one that I don't have on, like I also don't have it on, is this one. It's a pinky ready color, ready-ish color. I don't have that. It's kind of helping. It's actually helping. I kind of want my other slime, but I don't want to go there. Oh my god. So sad. Her name's Frankie. Frankie Rain. Frankie Rain. That's her middle name, right? Her first name is Frankie. Her middle name is Rain. So yeah. I think that's this stuff. I put it in how much do I have? Okay. If I mix this in here. No, because I will never want slime. I have